Hey and welcome back to Spirit Fashion! My name is Aniela and today we're gonna sew another easy sewing project from fabric leftovers. So like, subscribe and let's begin the fun! I forgot to mention, in this video we're gonna learn how to sew three boxes, exactly the same three boxes but in three different methods. To sew one basket you need one lining and one outer fabric. With right sides together, pin the corners with pins. And sew with straight stitch 0.39 inches. Exactly the same way sew the lining. Don't forget about backstitch at the beginning sewing and end of the sewing. And all edges we are sewing exactly the same way. And this is how your basket will look after sewing. Now turn your basket right side out, poke those corners out. And this is how our lining looks like. Keep the lining on the left side and the outer box on the right side. And now, with right sides together, hide inside your outer fabric to lining and match with side seams to side seams and pin with clips or pins. Sew all the way around and don't forget to leave gap 1.57 inches. And sew from the edge 0.39 inches. And don't forget to leave the gap. Okay, after sewing, turn right side out through your gap. And now you're gonna tuck these rough edges inside to this gap and close the gap, stop stitching all the way around the edge of your box. And your first box is ready. Second method sewing this box. So with left sides together, we're gonna put our lining to our box. And we're gonna match this with side seams of the lining to side seams of your box. And then we're gonna fold our upper edge about 0.39 inches. The same you're gonna do with the outer fabric. Fold lining and the outer fabric together, pinning with side seams. And now pin all the way around. And sew a straight stitch right from the edge all the way around. This method is super cool because you don't need to use any gap. We are sewing the lining and the outer fabric in one sewing line. So our next box is ready. As you can see, it's super easy. Okay, it's time to sew the third method. Like the previous one, we're gonna hide our lining to our outer fabric with left sides together. Pin your lining and outer fabric with matching the side seams. Cut a piece of bias tape the same length as the top edge of your box and pin to your upper part of your box, but fold one edge with left sides together and start pinning all the way around till the both ends of your bias tape will meet. Overlap the both ends of your bias tape together and pin. Then cut off the excess of your bias tape with scissors and sew all the way around 0.39 inches away from edge. And now it's time to fold our bias tape with left sides together, covering this rough edge, top rough edge. Fold 0.39 inches of your bias tape inside and again fold, then pin with pins. If you think this inside fabric is a bit too thick, you can cut with scissors and start folding your bias tape and pin with pins. Then sew all the way around. And voila, your third box is ready! And voila! 3 practical fabric storage boxes made from leftover fabric. It's very simple, fast and totally beginner friendly project. And it's a great way to give your fabric scrap a second life while creating something functional and beautiful for your space. If you enjoy this project, don't forget to like, subscribe and see you in the next one!